In this video, I'll show you how to fix the YouTube video not downloading problem on your Android phone. First, tap and hold the YouTube app icon on your home screen. Next, tap App Info. Tap Storage and Cache. Now tap Clear Cache. After that, go back to the App Info page and tap Force Stop. Tap OK to confirm. Next, open the Google Play Store and search for YouTube. If an update is available, tap Update to install the latest version of the app. Once the update is complete, restart your phone. After your phone turns back on, open the YouTube app and try downloading the video again. The download should now start normally without any errors. That's it. This is how you can fix the YouTube video not downloading problem on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.